Skinny Joke TV, Chop Bars represent. Skinny Joke TV, one motivate, uplift, suffer true, never tell a lie. That is it.
My name is Malik Vladimir. I'm from Ukraine, recruiting soldiers to go to war in Russia. Alright, change of plan. More people there, I guess. More people. Good morning. Good morning. I'm Malik Vladimir from Ukraine. Malik Vladimir from Ukraine. Malik Vladimir from Ukraine. Recruiting soldiers to go to war in Russia. We pay good money, 1.5 million per month. We pay 5,000 for training in 1 month. You don't like, you come back. You're not interested. You don't like war. Why you don't? It's good money. Good money. Peace. We pay more if you want. We pay more if you want.
Alright, no problem. Start
We pay.
Okay.
Yeah, we pay more. We pay more if you want.
No, not interested.
Okay, my name is Skinny. My name is Skinny. Skinny Joke TV. So we're doing social experiment to see if any Jamaican would go to war. Nobody want to go, man. So all of these names are fake names.
Oh.
Yeah, so nobody will want to go to war. And 1.5 million is a lot of money. And no, it's not real, man. I'm just telling. Yeah, I'm telling you, it's not real, man. So, yeah, respect, man. So I tell him say 1.5 million, you know, if we go war. Nobody know want. Everybody turn on 1.5. Sometimes we raise to 2.5. Nobody want war, you know. And you're so comfortable and relaxed, you know, and I do your work and I do, you know, some people that be like, wait, 1.5, and, you know, I contemplate, you know. Yeah, Skinny Joke TV. So, yeah. So respect see my brother, yeah? Yeah, man, bless up. And bless up for watching thing for Chocho. Skinny Joke TV, yeah, my fam.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, bless up. Bless up. So nobody want to go to war in Russia. They turned down $1.5 million in cash. You know? They don't want to war. Jamaica don't like, you like the war. We write your name. PUBG. You say war in PUBG, you don't war in real life. So nobody want to go to war. Mr. Chin, you don't want to go to war. We pay good money, you understand? Good money, 1.5 US to go to war in Russia. No, Mr. Chin don't like war. Mr. Chin don't like war. So we're trying to get a lot of soldiers to go to war. They're interested. We pay 1.5 good money. No. Hell, you 1.5. But we give you a new foot. We give you a new foot. You want a new foot? We give you a new foot. I will take you to war in Russia.
Russia?
Yeah, I'm from Ukraine. I'm Malik Vladimir from Ukraine. No. We go to war with Russians and fight them. They come to a country and destroy people. No, we go to war in Russia. We go to war in Russia. We go to war in Russia. I'm from Ukraine, Malik Vladimir. We pay good money, good nice woman. We give nice money to go to war. The Russians, they see you, they put down their guns. So big up yourself, Sophie Cho. Chocho. Skinny Joke TV, Sophie Chocho. And nobody know want to go war, Chocho. You know, keep it real, peace all the time. Jamaica, we say, Sophie Chocho. We're creating soldiers to go to war in Russia. We want to war the Russians, so we pay good money. Pay 1.5 US dollars to fight war in Russia.
Do you have it today?
No, we pay. We recruit soldiers. You write name and number, interested. You know, you don't like war.
No.
Why you don't like war?
I don't like war, sir.
So you want to tell the people why you don't like war?
I don't like war.
Skinny Joke TV, so for sure. Remember if you tune in here and subscribe. Take care. Alright, bless up. Alright, Shati. Yeah, so for sure. See, you just have to be nice. So for sure. Skinny Joke TV, nobody wants to go to war in Russia. But we still try to see if we can find if even one person that wants to go to war in Russia. Good morning. Malik Vladimir from Ukraine. I'm from Ukraine, Malik Vladimir, recruiting soldiers to go to war in Russia. We want to fight the Russians. We take numbers and names. You're interested, you go to training 1 month in Ukraine. We pay 5,000 for training. You're not interested, you come back to your country. You don't want to war the Russians. You don't believe in war. Why you don't believe in war?
I don't want that.
You want to survive,
Yeah.
but you get 1.5 million, so a lot of Jamaican,
No, sir, no,
there's a lot of US
No, sir,
Jamaicans.
me tell you working money.
So you don't know war, no war, no war. So good money for family. They say Jamaica is very poor, you get good money, 1.5 million. Yes. You're not dead, you live, because we give you big guns to carry the 50 caliber.
Your turn today. You're going.
Yeah, watch out, hold on. Yeah, you. I tell you, say it in the real, so we church, we am from Skinny Joke TV. You see it? You am from. Yeah, Skinny Joke TV. In my ear, man, you hear? Malik Vladimir recruiting soldiers to go to war in war Russians. We from Ukraine, I pay good money. 1.5 million. You do training 1 month and you get 5,000. You come back to your country if you don't like. Let's see, now go war.
That sounds good.
It sounds good. You see, you want to go war, write your name, man. First candidate for the day. The first soldier. Come on, man. The first soldier to be recruited. You see, you go. You write name. Man. Yeah, so no one want to go to war. So, I want to ask you, Chief, if I convince you.
You convinced me?
Yeah.
In a last half.
In a last half.
part. Yeah, more convinced me.
Almost.
Almost.
So me
So
sound like
but
me
no,
Ukraine.
Eh?
Me sound like me come
I
from
don't know how
Ukraine.
Ukrainian sound.
Right, that's why I catch you.
But the way I say, but
Yeah.
you couldn't catch me that part, they say half of my money because you have your money.
Yeah, man, but we've been doing this for morning and nobody no want to go, man. 1.5 million US, not even the poorest person I want to go to war, man. Yeah, Jamaica don't believe in them things there, you know. Yeah, so we want to say big up yourselves here, so for true. I wish taxi up me a pen.
No, I just the association this, I hope you so run.
Oh,
But
so
no, I hope you so association because I want to help you lockdown.
so which town this way now? We know it's Sparling, but where it locate, what parish? Because they kind of have a controversy of Clarendon and Manchester.
Clarendon. Yes, so Clarendon.
Clarendon.
But the border they out there, so just behind the gas station out there, so.
So they just say Clarendon and Manchester, anyone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The station out there, so far
Yeah.
in the Manchester division.
Oh.
Because through the border they out there, so.
I know
But
space no
but
really
a
big, they
Clarendon
will
is-
put
yeah.
it there.
But a Clarendon, you know.
Right.
When you pass the gas station out there, so.
Right.
Before you catch a gas station, Clarendon.
Alright, so
Anyway,
you hear that
beyond there,
people, this man here know the place like he's on middle, so he's telling you no controversy between the names and the location. It's very clear that it's Clarendon. We are in Clarendon, Spalding, Clarendon. We are in far place from Kingston and St. Anne. So big up yourself. Skinny Joke TV, Sophie Choo. Nobody no want to go war. So I want to say enough love, enough respect to the Spalding people. You see me? And we out in the street and I do it and you know food have to eat. And you see it all when the sun hot and we have feel the heat. We now retreat. So we do it. Skinny Joke TV, Sophie Choo. Sophie Choo. Good morning. Malik Vladimir, I'm from Ukraine. What? You don't chat me, you know. Don't. The man sees the camera and he run away because he don't want to be on the camera. Skinny Joke TV, Sophie Choo, what a bombshell. Put to go to war. We recruit people to go be soldiers in war and fight the Russians.
Russians.
Yes, and we pay good money. We go to war.
If you can't go to a beer, we go and drink. Come with that coming.
You bring 2 beer when you're coming back. I drink beer. He better say, if you buy one day, 7 show, come back. Okay, come back, 7 shows.
Skinny Joke TV, chat bars represent. Skinny Joke TV, one motivate, uplift, suffer true, never tell a lie. That is it.